Hi everyone, today we'll see how we can open an URL in the browser or access any browser URL using BoomiFlow. So first we will create a new flow. Let's not take any authentication for that. I'm giving the name access browser URL, start building. So there are two possible ways by which we can access the URL. One is using the outcome itself and another is putting a hyperlink over a text. So first we'll see how we can do using an outcome. So for that I have taken one step and I'm giving the name as demo1. Hit on the button to launch google.com. Okay, so I have given this text over my step. Let's save it. Now drag the initial outcome and name it as go. Okay, so now I am again having one step. Let's name it google.com. Save it again, and now drag one outcome from demo1 to google.com and name it as launch google label also. And now go to the attribute section and add URI as attribute key and place the URL here like https www.google.com. Okay, apply the attribute, save the outcome, and now run the flow using default player. So here we can see it is the first step, this is demo1, and here we have to click on the launch Google button to access the google.com. So let's click it. So we can easily access the browser URL. So now we'll see the second option, that using a link. So here we have to just place, suppose I am taking this much as my text and I will add a hyperlink, and here only I will place the URL www.google.com. For now I am choosing a new window, that is when I will click on the link it will open the google.com in new window in the browser. Okay, save it. Now run the flow again. See, so you can see this google.com is looking like a hyperlink over here. So now I will click on that link and it is opening google.com in a different window. So these are the two ways we can use in BoomiFlow to access or hit any browser URL. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Please do subscribe my channel for new videos like this.